Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone. First of all, we would like to thank our lecturer and all of you for attending this presentation. And here are the member. My name is Brianiko Pratama, followed by Ilham Ramadan and Fajar Arif Alfayais. Today, we are going to present a topic about computer numerical control, specifically the CNC production unit two-axis latte machine. Next. Here is the table of contents of our presentation. We will start with the basic theory of CNC machine, followed by the working principle of the CNC production unit to axis, the part of the CNC production unit to axis, and finally the CNC code system. Next. Okay, for basic theory, the production unit CNC latte is a type of machine used for basic training in operation and programming. Because this machine is computer controlled, all movements run automatically according to the program commands given by the operator. The production unit to axis CNC machine has the same performance as a manual latte or conventional latte. CNC lathes use numeric control or PLC or PC, which gives the machine greater precision and speed than conventional machine.
Let's talk about working principle CNC production unit 2A. The working principle of the production unit 2A CNC latte is that the workpiece is mounted on a rotating chuck while the longitudinal or transverse cutting motion is performed by the cutter. X-axis direction of movement perpendicular to the axis of rotation. Z-axis direction of movement parallel to the axis of rotation. Next, I will explain the main parts of the CNC production unit 2A. The first is turret. Turret is a place to store cutter and turn cutter. The second is chuck. Two is to clamp the workpiece to be machined. The third is motor. Is the power source that drives the machine spindle. Next is carriage. Is to move the cutter according to the given axis command. The last one, tailstock. As an assistant in machining with long materials and can be used in the drilling process.
Okay, this is G-code. As you can see, G stands for geometry, which is an alphanumeric format used by the system to tell the part what to do. In CNC code usage, we typically use codes such as G0, G1, G2, G3, G96, and G45. However, codes like G2 or G3 are already included in a program called cycle. The way these codes work is by inputting the coordinate points of the workpiece. Additionally, we can add a taper profile within the cycle code. And next, M code. As for M code is an additional code used to control non-movement function on the CNC machine. So you can see this M0, M1, M2, and next M30 to program stop or reset to start. Okay, so that's all we can share about CNC. If you have any question, please feel free to ask, and thank you.
Yeah. Okay, a good presentation. My name is Muhammad Ferdian Permana. I'm from class B. I would like to ask a few questions. First question, what is the main advantage of learning CNC PU to A for student? Second question, why is CNC more precise than conventional latte? Third question, what is the working principle of the CNC PU to A latte? Thank you.
Ulang-ulang.
Okay, let me answer the first question about main advantage. It helps students understand CNC operation, programming basics, and machining accuracy, which are essential skills in modern manufacture. Is it enough, Ferdi?
Enough.
Okay, thank you, Ferdi, for the second question. I will now give the answer. CNC machines are more precise than conventional lattice because their movements are fully controlled by a computer program. Every tool path follows exact coordinates, so the accuracy does not depend on the operator's manual skill. CNC systems also use servo motors and feedback sensors that continuously monitor and correct the tool's position in real time. This allows CNC machines to produce consistent and repeatable results with very tight tolerance, which is difficult to achieve with a conventional latte. Does that answer your question, Ferdi?
Enough. I
Okay.
understand. Thank
Yes.
you,
Thank you.
Brian.
Okay. Thank you, Ferdi. Have a good day.
Okay, next question. Third question is, what is the working principle of the CNC production unit 2A latte? The answer is, the workpiece is clamped on a rotating chuck, while the cutting tool performs longitudinal or transverse cutting motion according to the programmed commands. The, the answer is solved. Ferdi?
Enough, Fajar.
Okay. Okay, that's all for our presentation. We hope the material we delivered today is clear and useful. Thank you for your attention and have a good day for you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, guys.
Oke.
Thank you.
Oke, good. Mulai ya.